up, everybody? Check it out. We got the beast running. Well, of course she runs, but I've got the temporary registration right here. I've got some custom plates coming. So I might give these plates back to the original owner, seeing as how it was their dad's truck, and I believe he passed away from cancer, and I kind of want to do something nice, so I figured maybe I'll hook them up with the old plates or something. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know down below. But I guess I'll go unlock the door here, because my daughter and her friend are gonna come with me, and we're gonna run this bad boy. We're gonna run this bad boy down to the junkyard. Just kidding. Yeah, well, I guess it's kind of a junkyard. It's the dump, basically. So we're gonna run this thing down to the dump, and we're gonna get rid of this shell. I don't like the shell. We're also gonna get rid of the carpet kit and everything in the back. So we're just gonna take them down to the dump, try putting them on classified to see if anyone wanted them, but it's actually a pretty cool shell. I'm just not into the shells. So we're gonna go take it to the dump. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some footage. Hopefully it'll come off fairly easy. I've just got a couple bolts I need to take off. So I've got my stuff I need back there, and I brought a hammer, a couple hammers just in case we need to pound this carpet kit out. But we're off. Follow along, stay tuned for a minute. Next clips, we're gonna be at the dump, dumping it off. What do you guys think of this new truck? Oh, she runs like a champ. She just, oh yeah. But so I think is what I'm gonna do is, after I get this truck dumped, I might do a little color shine on this to see what color we can pop. But this interior, we're gonna do a cleaning on the interior, kind of clean up all this stuff right here. But I think I'm gonna paint the truck this orange color. So that orange color, or we might just go all white. We might just go all white. I don't know. Comment down below what color is painted. But here we go. We're gonna go head out. I think my fuel line is crap, but I think we're okay. I might actually see about getting another fuel filter in there, but the fuel filter might be clogged up again. So anyways, she ran fine for a little while, but not anymore. So we're gonna have my wife come get us. Hey, have her bring like a crescent wrench.
Also, Dad said bring a crescent wrench.
And some jumper cables.
And some jumper cables. There's jumper cables in the truck.
We're gonna try to see if we can't figure this bad boy out. But I'm guessing, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's just a fuel issue. So I put a new fuel filter on the line here. Oh man, look how horrible that. Look how horrible that air cleaner. I need to get a new air cleaner on that thing. Wash that thing out. Get a new cleaner. So, anyways, yeah, stay tuned. All right, folks, we had to get a jump start, but I took off this line. I cracked it. I think we might get some. I think we're getting some hydro lock going on. No, is it hydro lock? I don't know. When the fuel gets hot, I forget the word. But anyways, so I cut a few little slits in my my fuel filter, just because these are trash. I might bypass this fuel line and go with a better fuel line. I've got a inline fuel filter. I hear a lot of people bypass that little thing and go with the filter. So we're gonna try that, but I'm gonna throw this back on. And we're gonna see if we can make it home. Do you think we'll make it home? I think we'll make it home. I don't know. What do you think? Vapor lock. Vapor lock. That's the key word. Vapor lock. That's what we were looking for. It's vapor locking on us, I think. I don't know. We'll try it though. Here we go. We're going home. All right, folks. We are back in the truck, and we did not make it to the dump. Why did we not make it to the dump?
Because it closes in 15 minutes.
Because it closes in 15 minutes, and we were stuck on the side of the road. But I fixed it. Hey, that is the freaking awesomeness of these trucks. They are so simple. I literally had a crescent. Dude, I'm gonna show you the tools. These are the tools I had. These are the tools. Yeah, and I'm driving, and I'm showing you these tools because I'm on an old country road, and there's no one around. Except for my wife. She's behind us. She's following us. She's gonna make sure we get home safely. So, I'm sorry. I was hoping to show you guys this truck and us bashing and just trashing this top and dumping it at the dump, but that was not in the cards for today. So, we're gonna call Jaden. Jaden's gonna come pick this shit up Saturday. So, Jaden, I need you to come get this Saturday. Come grab it. We're gonna put it in your trailer.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that.
All right, well, that was a unsuccessful trip, but we will try again tomorrow. But I gotta move this because it's not straight. That'll work. All right, folks. That was good. That was good. It was a little test run to see how far this thing would go. But as my suspicions were right, the longer I drove this truck, once I got on the highway and was driving a little faster, it would cut out on me. So we went quite a ways. We went for a little while and it was doing good, but then it started cutting out on the main highway. I'd give it some gas and it'd work it through, but ultimately when I took off the part on the carburetor and had it turned over again, I wasn't getting any fuel, so I stuck my finger over it to kind of see if it would suck. I don't know. Anyways, whatever I did, it started pissing out fuel. So it was getting fuel. I think it was starving for fuel, and so it wasn't getting the suckage or pushing it through that it needed, and I think that was because of the clogged filter. So I poked tiny holes. I didn't poke big holes, I just poked tiny holes in that small filter so the filter would still probably hopefully catch some stuff, but at the same time there wasn't really anything in there that was super gunky, but those filters are so small they clog up really easy. And honestly, we were able to drive it home no problem, no cutting out, no nothing. So we might try it again tomorrow, depending on what time I get off of work and how the weather's looking and how things are going. I might try it again tomorrow, I might not, but if I don't, I might have Jaden come pick this stuff up for me. If not, we'll head to the dump and we'll get some more footage. So stay tuned and smile every morning. And welcome back to the plow Jeep. This plow Jeep here, it's going in for some maintenance. So we're gonna put a new head gasket on it, and then we are going to see if the mechanic can also fix the exhaust leak. It's got a pretty bad exhaust leak, and I think that is not good. So we're gonna fix it. It sounds horrible, actually. The Jeep sounds pretty decent driving by, but I can hear it. It's bad. So, anyways, smile every morning when you get out of bed. Have fun. Be grateful for all that you have, and just overall, be a nice person. Be nice to people.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way